Yo, what up, YouTube? You know why you lost. This will be my first review on any sneaker ever. Like, I'm gonna just start doing it right now, today. Whenever I get a new kick in, and just do a little review on it. Today we're gonna do a review on the Lebron 10 Canaries. I gotta do a shout out to my man Derek from Politics, hooking me up with these 6 sneakers. Let's get into it. So LeBron 8, gray, yellow. Open the box. It's got the yellow paper. LeBron logo on each side of the box. Take them out the box. Got the yellow paper. Yellow paper here. It's got the yellow sole. It's got the gray midsole with your shiny plastic with the specks of yellow in it. You got your yellow fly wire. You got the gray swoosh with the yellow outline. Your sole. Let's see your tongue. I'm gonna do the tongue. Pretty plain on the tongue. You got your yellow crown and your silver L. Inside the shoe, just a yellow insole. You can see that. And then you always gotta put a special touch with a diamond canary. And that's pretty much it, man. I mean, it's a pretty plain sneaker, but I like it. And you guys just hit me up. Tell me what you think. They drop on the 19th. Go pick them up.